Hello everyone, welcome back to the lesson. Today we will be continuing with determinants and we will be checking the consistency of a system of equations with two variables. To solve and check the consistency of the system of two linear equations, first of all we need to find the determinants. If the determinant is not equal to 0, then it has a unique solution, it is consistent. If the determinant is equal to 0 and at least one of dx and dy is not equal to 0, or if both dx and dy is not equal to 0, then we have no solutions, it is inconsistent. If dx and dy both are 0 and also the original determinant is 0, then we have either infinitely many solutions or we have no solutions. Let us see this using some examples. Example 1. Use Cramer's rule to solve these equations. Here we can see the equations are not in the standard form, so we need to change to a standard form by keeping the variables in one side and the constant on the other side. Then we find the determinants by using the coefficient of x in the first column and coefficient of y in the second column along with its sign. So here we have 7, 2, 2, negative 1. We multiply first row first column with second row second column minus second row first column times first row second column. We get the determinant negative 11. Since the determinant is not equal to 0, therefore the solution exists. Now we find dx by replacing the coefficient of x in the first column with the constant. We get dx as negative 33. We find dy by replacing the coefficient of y, that is the second column, with constant in the original determinant. We get dy as negative 22. To find x, we use this formula dx divided by d, and to find y, dy divided by d. Substituting the values, we get x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. Here the solution is unique and it is consistent. Example 2. Solve the following system of equations. Here we see the equations are already in the standard form. Therefore, we find the determinants by using the coefficient of x and y. The determinant for this is 0. Then we find dx by substituting the first column the coefficient of x with the constant. We get dx as negative 9. Since determinant is 0 and at least one of dx and dy, here in this case we have dx is not equal to 0, therefore the system is inconsistent, that is, it has no solution. From here we can decide that it has no solution, therefore we do not need to find dy. Example 3. Solve the following system of equations. When you find the determinant is 0 for this equation and dx for this equation is also 0. We can still proceed for dy and we get that dy is also 0. Since determinant is 0 and dx and dy both are also 0, therefore the system has infinitely many solutions or it has no solutions. So let us check whether it has many solutions or no solution. Let us check the consistency. From equation 1, that is 2x plus 7y equals to 9, we rearrange to make y as a subject and we get y equals to negative 9 minus 2x over 7, and we get y equals to 9 minus 2x over 7. Then we substitute this value in equation 2, 4x plus 14y equals to 18, replacing the value of y, and here all the values of x get eliminated and we get 18 equals to 18, which is true. Therefore, the given system has infinitely many solutions. It is consistent. If a system of linear equation has an infinite number of solutions, then the equations are said to be dependent. Here, the value of x will depend on the value of y. Thank you.